Welcome to the Wood Club, and today we're going to be comparing two types of screws, the Phillips and the Torx head. Let's take a look at their usage, their design and their pros and cons within all woodworking projects. First up, the Phillips screw. Invented in the 1930s and easily recognisable by their cross-shaped head, found in most woodworking stores and commonly used in woodworking projects. Unfortunately, their design means that the heads come out at higher torque. The pros of the Phillips screw, available in most hardware shops, they're generally cheaper than most screws, and most people have a Phillips screwdriver in their toolbox. The cons, they tend to cam out, which means the screwdriver can jump out of the head of the screw and damage the workpiece. They also tend to strip easily under higher torque. Next up, the Torx head screw, originally designed to solve all the problems of the Phillips screw. Recognisable by a star-shaped pattern and originally designed to solve the cam-out problems with the Phillips screw. These can be used at a higher torque ratio and don't damage the workpiece. Pros. The contact surface is bigger on a Torx head screw. The durability is better and they tend not to strip as much as a Phillips screw. Also, you can operate at a higher torque. The cons. These are not as easy to source as a Phillips screw. They cost a hell of a lot more, and not everyone has a Torx head screwdriver. And this is what I mean by camming out. Possibly damaging the work surface and rounding off the screw head. And here we have a Torx screw. Reduced cam out because of the greater contact area and being input with a higher torque, fastening with less effort. So there we have it. Both of these screws have their place within woodworking projects, but in my opinion, the Torx screw is a better screw all round. Phillips can be used, but you're going to get a lot more problems from personal experience. So there we have it. I'll let you make your own decision on what screw's best for you. But thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. If you found it helpful, drop us a comment below, or whatever your preferred screw is, leave that in the comments below as well. And as we're a new channel, it'd be very much appreciated if you could subscribe to help us out. Thanks very much.